Well, a former Indian skipper and current BCCI president Sourav Ganguly will be discharged from hospital today. That's what the CEO of Woodlands Hospital in Kolkata confirmed and said that Ganguly will be monitored daily at home. Now, Ganguly had suffered a mild heart attack on Saturday and was taken to the hospital immediately. He had 3 blocked coronary arteries and a stent was inserted in one to remove the blockage, though he will be requiring further treatment for the 2 other coronary blockages. But a medical board that was set up for him has decided for the moment to defer this. Well, let's go across to Saurabh for more. And Saurabh, this had been huge news at the time, when he was hospitalized. Now the good news is that the medical board has cleared that Sourav Ganguly can go home, though he has to be very closely monitored medically, that he still needs more interventions to take place, but the medical board deciding to do that later. I will just try and get Saurabh there, who's outside the Woodland Hospital where Sourav Ganguly has been being treated for the last couple of days. As we said, a medical board, in fact, had been set up to look into his health issues, and the board then had decided that to defer the angioplasty, and he will be released from hospital today. Let's go back to Saurabh for more. Saurabh, so he will be released from hospital today, though he will be very, very closely monitored, and he does need further medical interventions.
Absolutely. So the health scare that he has is not yet completely over, but yes, he will be released from hospital, and that's a relief for his fans. In fact, I mean, a lot of people have gathered here. You can see this is right outside the Woodlands Hospital in Kolkata, where Sourav Ganguly has been undergoing treatment for blockages in his arteries. At this point, the hospital feels that the immediate requirement for intervention for his ailment is sufficient. But you can see, I mean, a lot of "Love You, Dada" posters and all of that also here. Of course, fans who have gathered here to try and sort of show their support for Sourav Ganguly. He's of course more than what he is in terms of cricket. He's also practically the Prince of Kolkata, as Geoffrey Boycott described him. So a lot of fans have gathered to show their support and their happiness at his recovery, and that's something that you will witness at least outside the hospital. And there are interesting posters there of all the fans who've gathered here. Sourav Ganguly to be released from hospital at this point in a short while from now is what we're being given to understand. And that will, of course, be a relief to all his fans. Remember, there's also been a lot of speculation about his political future, so to speak, or whether he will take the political plunge or not. Obviously, those plans might be on the back burner for now, but the speculation hasn't clearly died down, even with his hospitalization for his cardiac condition. But at this point, it's a relief for his fans, happiness for his fans, as he is being released from hospital today, having undergone the necessary medical attention and intervention that was required for his ailment.
Right, Saurabh, I can see lots of fans behind you. Maybe you can speak to some of them. And yes, there was so much speculation about, the possible political role that Sourav Ganguly would be playing. And yes, for the moment now, though, the attention is on his health.
Absolutely, I'll try and get a few voices from his fans. কেন এসেছেন এখানে?
দাদাকে দেখতে, দাদাকে উইশ করতে যে তাড়াতাড়ি উনি ঠিক হয়ে যান। আমরা কলেজের অনেক দিন দিয়ে এখানে ওয়েট করছি। Yes.
So obviously, some of his fans
টিউশন ছেড়ে এখানে দাদার জন্য উইশ করতে এসেছি যে উনি তাড়াতাড়ি ঠিক হয়ে যান।
Some of them have bunked tuitions to come and wish him. So clearly, enthusiasm amongst fans always there. Maharaj is back, also says one poster, he's often referred to as Maharaj in Bengal. That's one of the titles that have been given to him by his fans. খুশি এখানে এসে এবারে দাদা রিলিজ করছে, দাদা
প্রচন্ড দুদিন ধরে এখানে আসছি।
দুদিন ধরে? আপনি এমনিতে কি করেন?
আমি এমনিতে স্টুডেন্ট, ফার্স্ট ইয়ার।
তো
কলেজের থেকে দাদা।
अच्छा, आप बताइए आप क्यों आए हैं यहाँ पे?
दादा को देखने के लिए।
अच्छा, आप क्या करते हैं?
हाँ, हम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं।
कॉलेज नहीं गए? कॉलेज बंद है
अभी तो 9 बजे आ रहा। अब तो कोरोना के लिए कॉलेज बंद है, खुला नहीं है,
इसलिए आप यहाँ पे आए हैं। Well, you know, all the fans are here. Social distancing might be a little bit of a concern, but when it comes to their favorite Dada, I think Calcuttans would love to wish him a quick recovery, and that's what you see even outside the hospital where his fans have gathered.